everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things?
Turn my pit into a well. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame, Adumo, Adum, Adum intina metiasi, Eya Wadum tina mewo. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey. Could not have sailed through without.
I was saying, Mijiri uho eye pa. Me da say me ye when you saw me wo ahot sepe na afenso so manage p say wabeka ye ho ewo djumedi so the community and the law. The community and the law djumedi aba wakwemo memenda awia bia between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time. Na yaba abedru enawie na de ebro wono so another wonderful discussion abema wate wasetena se ene emra no ase ewo UK ha. Yefemu reku usu frimpon na menewo edi ijmei na yebetena se yani mpenifo free BWF solicitors ebedi enkomo. BWF solicitors ewo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ewo North London N15 4NP where you Monday to Friday free anopa 9:30 ekopim enyumre 6 o'clock weekends by appointment and kwa won energy media waso yansre ema yede ebro and so they may be bisa and I say abofra ebekọ baabi a na de na wofo ene ne mpanimfo agye atum akwada entimi enyina ono nko a ne nanso enye bibia enti sabofra bi ewo UK ha na opese one na wofo etena na fe wasetena ekoyie na wofo no nso so etimi nya bibi ejina so a na akwara na application ben na woye mpanimfo a ni memra no mu no eka say yes 7-year rule no eno ene den emra no sen na esitie sen na eka ekwan ben na obetimi afa na wo so wanya ho emfaso eno ene nkoma amede ebrewo ene wiayi na fe nso so nkoma Efa de yesia throughout the week no say yen special quiz a de ebrewo no ye bebisa ho asem na afi watimi ayi ano na say utimi ekire senia esi etia yenso yetimi abo abaso ene ye de bibi sonko ebrewo BWF solicitors ene yen community program to ding say the community and the law ana ye de ebrewo mama yen fasida emma BWF solicitors na yen to onkra na ye ba ye de enkomo no ebeshisha so
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penimpa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura wo ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eye abofrahwe mu awarja ye ho twuma mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma so. Yen child care any family team no nim nia wo famu ewe nia ya wo brei mu enunti ne yeto yembo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no sanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a unni haw kra. Upe advice ewo immigration sensem ho. Wo BWF solicitors die ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho semsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas family visas ni appeals. Ye senior partner eye member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel intisi ye taiwachi a wunni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa nonkron pe mu ekosi enumre nonsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ena memene danso eye appointment nkoa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Ye wo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nso a eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities official solicitors office ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law ho yi na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so for Ghanaian law.
ena me koso mawo akwaba na me dawase se wode wefidie no ato ha na wenya ho adaje ene memenda awie very bright sunny Saturday afternoon here in London. Abusian se wabekan ho the community and the law ena yede bro ye twaso na fe yede nkomo no abro me kai wo se na wotwi mu oni edi nkita ho na wabeka ye ho ewo ye ndwumedie so a na me dawase live ewo BWF solicitors Facebook page. You're live ewo BWF solicitors YouTube page. You're live ewo Abawa radio so ewo UK ha. And our things so you're live ewo PAM TV so ewo UK ha. Myself say bomodian say obe share page no anasa link no na dodo na enya bi platform and network bi a wo mu bia no fato so na manfo enya ho emphasis because information I dey bebro e wo dwumedi so no e very relevant titiri say wo UK ha na wasetna sebe intimi enyina ye na opese wo ya application bia wo betimi agina wo baso aye sa application no ana oba no wadi mfie say you say 10 years na wo say wo ye there be 10 years no enu ho na say akwanya bi wo ho a ye betimi afaso ana say take advantage of it ana 7-year rule a ye lawyer for no eka bebrebe no 7-year rule no kra eno ene den emrabe ene tachi ekwan ben ena ye befa so aye kwan ene qualify say obetimi aye sa 7-year rule application ne bi patwotwe ben na afi ene amanfo emramede honkomo minimum bia wa wone ba bia August September more say October whatever 7 years no wadi amano abro dada ana set to say 7 year no eso na went me and take advantage of the situation then na ebesie nyina questions amegiri say wo wadwene so opese ubisa lawyer for na fe we year no edema anti na matwe aben BWF solicitor say one way na fe yeni sa adwumade no meso ebio me sign aka last week he gave me 350 shares today I want over 500 enti me share na yemkoi me metwa me de 18 atum enti wonso etwa wode atum na afi yemkɔ ne fefefe kama ene ye wo yenua penny lawyer teacher ena afi yen brother lawyer Charles Asmah ewa ha ono eba beboy ma yede enkomo no abrewo lawyer ma wakaba
yeah
na po muti say
me adom no swear
aja ewia boy na yepie de na chese no ano migiri is dwumamu so boko
me adom kakra we are still affecting people positively. And then so no I don't say na say bibi opa homaye. So those who are losing hope, please don't lose hope because there is still something positive for you. Now updating so you do what
yeah, and then wakano update no edru hwa ye de ebema enunti intentem na mame enkoso na memfa yen nageta ye de man say yemfa emmo yentoma no from the beginning of the week we juada anope bia hyenenso every be 8 o'clock ade kosi midday no ye to epete social media platforms ahodo ne nyina so na na ochi mo de ankoben ene nabusiafo ade ebre ye no or say spouses who have been divorced overseas and the divorce or annulment is recognized in England and Wales and who have a connection with England and Wales may apply here for financial settlement if they suffered hardship by reason of the foreign divorce. An applicant must fulfill criteria regarding habitual residence and or domicile. An application must be made for permission or leave before a substantive application may be issued. In such applications, the Supreme Court has decided that primary consideration must be given to the welfare of any children of the marriage. It will never be appropriate to make an order that gives the claimant more than they would have been awarded had all proceedings taking place within its jurisdiction, and where possible, the order should provide for the reasonable needs of each spouse. Such applications are available to spouses with connection to England and Wales who believe that the Ghanaian courts do not favor women when it comes to financial settlement after divorce. Abaji and Abaji, case in AC 2010, UK Supreme Court number 13, and wade FLR further leave to remain applications ho man so be a copy court and wade na me what lawyer Charles Wahey na me say kakra bi we aja brofo akese tintintin obetimi abie na so kakra ade amaya
yo me da se bebre so na me nua ID kaka no case we 2010 case na report no UK Supreme Court when it take place na report no family law report no emu na ne ayeka no ene say we obi a wuti UK se bia England and now say Wales and now say ne akeka no United Kingdom now bibia dey adanse say hala wuti so you have habitual residence and domicile then say ekoba say aworujai eba na mukojai anase muye divorce proceedings no ewo mukromu a mufikane no a na kire say ekoba say titulu imma na omuwomu no so ekoba say ejapade na ewo aworujai na echi no emu encheche no na mma no omo disadvantaged nti say kwabasa ubetumi de aba UK ha now have applied for what we call financial settlement. Financial settlement no ye senior yebeche ejapade no awarugunu echiri. Nti se wo kromu original country, be it Ghana, Nigeria or wherever. Na se mweja aware no wo ho a. Ekwan wo ho se ube make application to the UK court, family court. Now wa request to say you want to make an application for financial settlement. Nentia ekwanya or elwane say aya omuhu say titulu emana mugumran say the weaker party no aya na there is undue hardship se kobesa omu chiche japade na omunya na ese so omunya especially kwala na omuwo mu no na afide ahochiri bebre akoba ti akobasa omu to be application e wo UK he say na ye the court na omu hwese ne a ebe che ejapade no ema titulu kwala na omuwo mu no obia eni age na ne omu ewo mu ne say ese se wo ye obia wo association to the United Kingdom more or less wuti krom ha say then bibia da dance say we are citizen and settled ne ade a wuti ekrom ha na wo de ha ye ofie dia na chere say ukrum dada na wo film na say original one na wo film no you still have another opportunity ewa ha nti se ko ja aware ho kra wo betumi ss aware jai no ejapade no enho ensam no ewo krom ha nyom be na say wo hwe say betumi e di dance here as say di kan no wo ye application emma court say wo pese wo ye application for financial settlement no more permission to make an application for the financial settlement na as say wo hu susu say ye kwache ejapade na say court sesi na che ejapade no owo United Kingdom a ombehwe say ne a wobenya no embro ne nka wobenya sanka wuja aware no ewa ha na ye de financial settlement proceedings no eto aso a nti ebehwe say obia enho beto no nti eye win-win by fairness by yehwe nkola na omuwo mu no omunate ene efanunu anasa parties no nyina no so no omunate na omo ahwe enso se omo yeye sa proceedings no a kwan ben so na ebe ya obi biara enho ebeto no nti akwen na say enije ewo mu no ne say uja aware wo original country na say we obi a wuti United Kingdom wa na udi adanse sa wuti ha bibia da adanse sa dia endie ubetumi ay application for financial settlement.
La Charles Asmah and wachechi mono media midi ho chiame nti se penifo eka na ye wose de atu boy ntomano nti se aware no agu ewo Ghana na bia motikrom hana eho nkita hodie ni sikasem che ne ade no sisie bi wo hwe na sisie wo ma fabra na afi ekrom ha lawyer for ene judges no omonhwe enka ho asem emfa ema meso se opese oni BWF solicitors edi enkoma omodin se ubeko won ho 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so Seven Sisters North London free won 0208 493 7340 and also 077 127 61884 BWF social media platforms ahodo ne nyina so Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn. BWF solicitors Emma legal advice free one every Thursday Rainbow Radio so free anopa 9 o'clock ekosi 10 o'clock and if you no pebia so one GN Radio International so edi ijuma GN Radio legal hour every Friday free 9:30 ekopim anopa 11 o'clock. Thursday, Saturday, anopa in fact noon. Men can say we are here with hanging out with BWF solicitors. I know Ebaso our Heritage TV so. Na eno lawyer Eunice na ene Vicky sa jumedie titru ewo Heritage TV so na edru ewia 4 o'clock so na ye the community and the law abroad. The community and the law encompasses all the questions and all the discussions I throughout the week. Anopay Lainis and Afeya Wadano or child maintenance and some more mumpers and money. I don't know. You're quite before so near Jimusikadia Requalano. Yaman Hunisa. What now? Because Mramofrano or money being Ababashe year pa. And actually, also La Ben any eka kwanye befa so ato ejapade ewo Ghana obi emfa unsa enkohye gemna sika enkonkohim eno so oni edi hu komo enra na megiri yes bepamu no yebesan ade foforo abro na yamma an extended version of the whole thing na questions no consensus na yede aba ene de yede ebro wo no se wo question foforo bia apart from the topic I de beba na ekwan ewo ho your number ide ye adwuma na 0208 1231016 anase obe frɛ yen a texting yen anase de WhatsApp ewo 07950 422780 07950 422780 BWF Solicitors Energy Media Ebreye yetwaso. Yo, yada CP so koso PAM TV for yada mo sesan so and abawa radio yada mo se mo live ewo YouTube and Facebook munyina so yakoso edawase medical aka wo text number no and wo screen so 07950422780 07950422780 applying to remain in the UK under the 7-year rule. Amafra ebitimi ya application ana say awofo bitin agina wo mofra so aye application na afi watimi ade akọ wanim anase wagina so ewo UK ha la Charles Asmah efi BWF Solicitors ena woni ebabedi enkome la 7-year rule emofra eno wasitna migiri se amanfo ebe ni me adwene se application bi obi be ye bia no eye panimu ena eye say so ye say mofra timi ye application how ena abofra betimi ye application ye kwalise
ye me da se bebre brakeku emfa akonya we so endo yankopon ase na ye nchi a ebusunyafo a na say adwumako e wo BW Solicitors ayen Uncle Ben eda ano na wonso a de brain na no nyamre oni ye community and law program etiefo ni ahwefo ye chechi a obi biara and our committed technical crew so ya da mu ina ase ye chia ho ye wonan so ya media chance anti ye besua na yakoyenim na ye botai ne say ye bema the legal position area na ya hye onkran say akonya e wo ho nti brafie na anya nia ohwehwe then ena ohwehwe na ohwehwe ne say wo benya nkrata na wonsu wenije area epeye what about say nkrata wo ara wonni bi mbom bi a wo ba ubetumi afa no so enya na wo ba no so onye British citizen ena wo nim kwan ya obafa so wo ba British citizen internet chese ebeche ma wo ba wo titini so nyame de achewo nti wa ma no embre tituru 7 years eka ibika ho ubetumi agina no so ana na akola no so betumi aye ne de a ohia parent bia ana Imran se sa na tie adentina Imran kasa yewo nyoma mienu a Imran ejina so especially applications for visa and say leave to remain no e kan or say family life and say family migration and the other one say private life into private life no no say you be a no FLRFP no be catch yourself family life and as a private life. Into family life ni be a mamia original ne ba and as a nukunu eso family.
Family.
That's Article 8 family life affairs no ɛna yɛwɔ private life sɛ we deɛ me gyina me right so ɛde apɛ nea mehia that's the private life. Now private life no you share paragraph 276 AD of the immigration rules na you will move ahodoɔ bebree mpanimfoɔ deɛ ɛne nkwalaa ɛdeɛ and then nkɔmɔ no ɛyɛ nkwalaa deɛ no nti yɛbɛhwɛ 276 ADE 1 no by yɛbɛkɔ 4 exactly for nkwalaa deɛ no ɔbɛka kyerɛ sɛ akwalaa watena kurom ha wankasa yawo no ha o ɔse watena ekrom ha 7 years and above nti di kan no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔyɛ akwalaa under 18 years.
Okay.
Ɛtwa so mienu ɛsɛ sɛ akwalaa no watena resident in the UK for at least 7 years nti 7 or more.
Okay, nti me bacho me Raymond kakra wadaruma sɛ watena ha 7 years nti me mfa no sɛ wɔyɛ less than 18 yɛwo no wɔ Ghana ɛna bi odi 4 years ne maame ana sɛ ne papa ana na wofo ɛde ne ba UK ha nti sɛ odi 11 na kyerɛ sɛ watena ha 7 years nti obetumi ayɛ sa application a working
good na yɛ ni gye wo mu ne sɛ emra no does not discriminate between yɛn a yɛwo wɔ ha wɔn a yɛwo wɔ ha na wɔn a yɛde wɔn fi baby baeɛ nti wanka birth or say residence. Nti sɛ akwalaa no atena ha 7 years nko ada it doesn't really matter baby ofi or the betena ha. Wo dia wo hwɛ ne sɛ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 years na akwalaa no atena ha continuously ana a empo ebro. Ebro dia bonus but what you should when I want no at least 7 years continuous residence. Sɛ yɛwo no wa ha na watena ha o. Sɛ yɛde ne fi baby baeɛ na wa betena ha o. Watena ha. Or ya kwalanjo still no or under 18 years.
Okay.
Na emra say bio onko ball krono e ma yemfa criminal record bi ento no so. And also very important because say ko ba say you do ko prison a ye tifim. Nti na what na 7 years na bia mu ba ko mienu bi wa ko she prison na wa ba bia we di 17. But 17 no wo ba ha 10 years. Until 17 years what na 7 years but 7 years na mu mienu ana say ba ko bi wo ko share prison because of whatever happened you know and only betie fi untumi mfa nka ho na wo mfa nkan continuous residence no
na eno sa na say break up mu ana say yeti free mu a so wo di etoa so
hanti na de bia no yesre say uma yeni embra ye ho so na ye hwe say sa enyoma ede yen ebe move away from right a ye hwehwe no ye inside the aka because when you citizen a enyoma nketenkete bi betumi ebitwetwe wa kwemu a ebe prevent you from ya wo hwehwe no enti ni aye kan say sakola na du what not na 7 years na oya akola nko ade na onko share baby ana say on prison say member mu a ebe discount ana say ebe tie fi mu na se oye akwala na se da bibia enu ho a eto asumu se ese se yini fi krom ha de a otumi ye application.
Next say that misconception and crofo was say just akwala na yawo na wa ha ma na di 7 years and ko an between a 7-year rule application mean enya no cresa yes
emra say akwala wa atena ha 7 years. Emra no nka sa akwala yawo no wa ha onka kro bi fufuro so o se wa atena ha nti sa akwala no atena ha 7 years nko ade no say oye under 18 that's fine. It doesn't matter baby ayawo no baby a watena no UK 7 years at least.
Okay. And you know menim say obi bebisa question be say yemfa no say abofra no every Ghana ba amedru ha no we di be 11 years 12 years obedi 7 years no amana atra no watra 18 say you say akwada nti edru sa na obi a obetimi ne 7 years no be so wa bra na wabro ba bia wo ya akwada no ye be ye ne den
your aspect of paragraph 276 no so ekasafa nkwala omo abro wo at this point omo yan nkwala bi teenagers say felisa and say mebu omo abro 18 years
okay
nembom omo ndi 25 years
okay
now for whatever reason omo nya omo asetena no person feed the omo share na omo nya omo asetena but person omo rely on private life
okay
nti sa mpempenso ye be hwe say sa akwala no atena ha at least half of the age no dia akwenya ewo ho ma akwala no
there's another call under different category not necessarily 7-year rule
So good. So under paragraph 276 AD, you know, you want pennyfood there, you want quality, and you want between. There are about 3-4 categories.
There's a 276 and a cobia once and a cobia once
and the yedi hunkomwe. It is our backaya 276 years near sister. What's now how you penny 20 years, sir? You rely on your private life. But we are adults. But not you know, a kwala or Martin has 7 years.
Okay. I'm saying, say, I feel and Wabba journey, and then common at the pa, yeah, abofra, no, a day and ubitimi aye, a man application ben ubitimi aye. Yes, say paragraph 276B and a 7-year rule be and in the mo, not the lawyer Charles Asmah and the eka and as I say, abofra no, what's na ha 7 years. Atwatwaso. Sabi ankodin someone name me amfana ankoto prison ya de no kra de empire me gidi here say ye Ghana ma no dodo na ewo aye asuti ema wanwofo atena has 7 continuous years obetimi aye application under the 7-year rule. Na de ade ba ko waka ama atometri mu kra ne say yes so yes 7-year rule ne just akwala ne wo na ha me ne di 7 years ansa da bi entesa nti se wo abofra bi a won wo baby and I didn't about UK ha na fe what ha 7 years na I was set ultimate application. I didn't na 7 years.
Yo near Embrano can say 7 years no na akwala what na 7 years no say ye hwemu a ye obi bia ye fe no root. Na che say waji intini anasa oye agi intini ewo kromu ha. In terms of kromu ha amambre, in terms of an association, in terms of your friend or ties, no, into family ties, your community ties, your social ties, your cultural ties. Meaning, I know a baby dancer say, Aqualano and Pempenso away do no, a baby here say, on one say, Ejina, na bra bosso, na yamano assetna, na otumi etna a chromo aha. Enti near a woman no any near nkofo ejina swaya aban anjantumu a yede aban akokot an aban court ajatumu se empo se sa na tie de a yenhwe se eto asumu se yede akola no beko ana se akola no betina he se ene ne yefa no reasonableness test eto asumu ana so to assume nkwa dia ende wobenya akwanya and to assume dia ende wonya akwanya. How do you prove say to assume and case law by ene Bangladesh 2021 year na idi asam no eka say it's all about the context and the circumstance of sa asam a ye ka ho and say emra akwanya ye ka ho asam no. It is what is the specific circumstance or say a fact sensitive. Fact sensitive ni say ye di obia de beto to ho ye beto to ho na ye bubu ho na akase we die eto asum we ni die ndie eno to 7 years but we die ento asum. It is how your circumstance is. It is na kapa because say eto asum ento asum enye 1+1 nti wo dia obeye ne say wo bepe enyoma ebeboa wo ma ebe convince fekesimfo no say oh wo dia ndie eto asum be den na wa yesa ade no ene nkomo a yeguso a ye
me ba no so da mami me say abofra na tena ha 7 years continuous eye abofra no abia onni asetena but what tena ha 7 years nti ene ye application no na akokova akwala no nko a ananse obi wo ha obetumi ya benefit from akwala na wadi 7 years no nti titru na wofo
yo me da so bebre ye wo bibia ye fra no public interest.
Okay.
Nti se fikesimfo bobo ye visa application ho a omo say is it in the interest of the public ye show mine no a asamo ye can say decision ye make about ni pay application no ebeboa o mine no ana public interest na ye share section 117B of the Nationality, Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 now baka show say oko subsection 6 no baka show say obi eye application say ojina ne ba or ye qualifying child so a na say akwala no so no ento asumu say ye be yi no efi krom ha dia and there it will not be in the interest of the public or in the public interest to say all farmers are in pano. The sign in pay can was me a parent.
Okay.
So I feel the enya akwala ni biom. Akwala ni biom there is more or less cut out. It's cut out. 1 or you're under 18. 2 what's not has 7 years. 3 bibi and there 7 years no and so yeah. And na near to us no say ento assume say ye be yi no fi krom ha.
Okay.
And ya akwala say na che dia be ma akwala no. What about akso akwala ne maame anasa ne papa a opese ogina akwala no so. When akwenya ba ho amayan under article 8 family life nti maame na anasa papa na baka say me ba no me ne no family life that's our relationship na e wo ho. Na me ba no so qualifying child. And because of your qualifying child yentumi bibi ento asum so ye be yi akwala na efi krom ha nti and there as I say the ma akwala na me so ye de ma me na metumi ahwa akwala no.
Okay. My scenario be symmetry. Me for the sabofra no ne maame e wo krata. Akwala no ya wono me for the sa ya wono wo krom ha. In the first 7 years no watena ha. But ne papa ending krata. In this situation no say betimi aka say o maame betimi ha akwala no enti reasonably no papa no en qualify say obegina akwala no so ayi application e betimi aba sa.
Well, sir, papa no so aye akwala no parent. Enti emrane sister we parent na pese we gina wa oba so a sa criteria no ho emaw.
Okay.
Na ho ma so say en ye in the interest of or the public interest say young farmer sa papa no panasa maame no.
Okay.
Depend on which of the parent is making the application.
Okay.
So maame no will be na papa no ne maame na eti say unmarried partner or durable partner and as a married spouse that's on papa no mpese obegina maame no so fine obepese opa obegina na ba no so but at this point mind you ne ba no enibi nti so ye ne ba no application under the 7-year route no obetumi de ne dia den abeta ho.
Okay.
Nti ne dia na abeta ho no better who because 7 years no ono qualify eba better who because say ono no le dia no moves to article 8 section 117b no aye kan ho asem no say because aye akwala no parent no ye betumi egina ho no aboa ono so that you can do that.
It's about 2 different applications.
So you make an application, then there will be dependents a womb. This a papa no anasa mama no na anasa akwala na ye yama no. Sometimes you can do one application in one, 2 application in one, 3 application in one, or which may akwala no dia na man uwi na wa ye papa no so ne die. But most of the case no a whole package a ye boom. Nti bo ho applicant 1, 2 and 3. Na obia ne kwan a offer so or the application.
Okay. Nti me mfa na say ye were 3 applicants e was so. Na papa abofra na wedi 7 years no ena maame no omo bia maame ne papa ne mienu nyina age na akwala na 7 years no so between aye 3 na bom.
So your family application.
Okay.
Nti akwala ne die no maame no age na so bi ena bi kura na akwala ne nua bi so kura ho ono so ni bi ono so gina so bi. Nti case ya kan ho asem is similar to this.
Na me can say your parents nko na nua de.
Nti nua no a ye kan ho asem no say ni nua no a owo mu no so be ya family life and association through ni nua na all kwakoye no through the parents no owo mu no. Nti ye one application a e betumi include all these, but the argument will differ for each of them because we are kwan offer so or making the case out.
Okay. Me person me twetwe amount 4 questions if you o my dream, especially your war the qualifying child and the qualifying applicant.
But as I say, defining who a qualifying child is.
And no one define it but twetwe my dream. Okay. Say abofra no enya 7 years. What na 7 years? Say you no say oba betena what na 7 years. And nti emma ne maame ana ne papa etimi nya kwan se obegina sa abofra no so because then qualification criteria ba ko be yes we 7 years.
Good.
Okay. Se menfa ne se me wo akwala no a what ha 7 years ne nua bi entena ha up to 7 years. But by association no akwala ne qualify nti ono so betimi agina no so ayi application ana.
Nti na ye kan say akwala no a obeye first ni nua no obeye application on ye na application independently. Obeye application album
okay.
Nti wo hwia nkrofo bebre be ka say me ye application ama me ho na mo me pese me kunu ehye mu bi me kunu no ejina me so because ya worry.
Okay.
Me baba ko eni bi nti pese ono so be hye bi no ye no 2.5 nti ye one application for that family. But the argument will differ for each one.
For each one, okay. Na say ayi abofra ono ondi 7 years no na ontena ha 7 years no. Mo ye application no ewie na say home office ehwa. When they isolate sakwala no, only ontena ha 7 years no. You isolated no. And now say once the sibling no qualify no, ono so advantage.
Say argument no you put you forward no and I can say will it be reasonable say young farmer akwala na wa qualify under the 7-year rule no ana so you prove reasonableness test no say nyoma nyina dia danse say young farmer akwala we na you say ni parent kura ni bi ni nuanom kura mu ni bi and you nyina nko vie and so mu ko mu kuro mu a and to assume because of akwala na we dey 7 years no.
Okay.
Na say dem say to assume na dem akwala na we dey 7 years na ono nkwan so entumi ntina mani nye yie and ye fama maame ana so papa na say dem maame ona papa na ni nua ba ko no ni bi no ade ono de ye ne kwa na so it becomes a very clear argument say you cannot pick and choose, you have to make it clear say once it is say no then by implication you know as I say we extending no
that is a 7-year rule no eboa ema yekabusiabom and once one of them qualifies the others can depend on that to make an application and in not qualifying child no about criteria about 7 years I was so year under 18 bibi you can
good and
me good student don
oh we are very good student and for lawyer you ebusiafo na ya can say who is a qualifying child now qualification in here pa because one qualifier won't
make application
discussion na can no emfa wo ho nti obi o ma ne ba no only 7 years and so on British citizen bi onu kra akwala no kuta 2.5 sa akwala no ye qualifying child nti under section 117D no of the Nationality Immigration and Asylum Act 2002 no ba a qualifying child akwala only 18 years and here number 1 until we take that na meni ya mebe bubosu yi ba ko eho eka ho
okay
ada say oya British citizen and now say what na ha 7 years
okay
nti bia na akwala no oya British citizen but what na ha 7 years so qualify as a qualifying child
okay okay na say oya British citizen I didn't know what this 7 years and so would be etimi take quote unquote advantage of the situation high application.
Yeah, different applications. So a British citizen there and the automatic qualification. Nti bia maame na so papa no be application no aka say okay, me gina me ba or ye British citizen so aye application because we are qualifying child.
Okay.
And now so say the ba no ni British citizenship but what na has 7 years. Bia ye won wa ha na say ne ba na wa be di 7 years abro so wa. No obaka say me gina me ba no a we di 7 years and above ewo kromo ha ba only 18 years no so because wa be a qualifying child.
Okay.
7-year residence.
Okay. Anyway, na abusia say afino joining ya me kai will be say pick up the link and share it na amanfo so enya ho emfaso na na agiman ene moamowo so no munyina yedamase sanso so na ofatagima so yedawase wumpini Adam ohweyen from Ghana Dockers Adom na dodo ka ho enyina modaroma yedamase yebusiafo a ewo Hamburg Kwadion na fe dodo a mote TV achi na fe mo hwɛ ɛwɔ YouTube no nyame enhyira mo yɛkɔso ɛda mo ase na yɛka wo sɛ wobɛtumi afrɛ yɛn ɛwɔ 0208 123 1016 anaasɛ wobɛsend a text and a WhatsApp message, or you can even call on that number 07950 422-780. Questions no may try to do na say metimi ebisa dienka wo bebisa. But apart from that no also so wo de ewo ha betimi asende ade abren na so be free ebisa. We live about radio so betimi asende de ama about ewo radio no so obe text ade abren. PAM TV phone so betimi asende mo links no ade abren. But the American say pick up the link, share it. Ewo network and platforms ahodo ni nyina so na amanfo enya eho emfaso because what we're discussing here is very pertinent na megidi ye say nipa bebre na no etimi enya ho emfaso obi asem safwa ebi obi asem epono eno nti bia na wadwen ye osem fa ho but if you have the knowledge definitely you can advise somebody and even advise a person to go to BWS solicitors. Our more number is 0208 493 7340 0208 493-7340. Charles Asmah ewaha na me bisa se qualifying mwaka ani ade se abofra no e qualifier na se ye application na eden na home office edebema no ye man asitna afebo because 7 years now so wa qualify sanem ranache anase yede no fa sa route na mo de 2 and 5 ne 10 year route ne ade no eno bi ne de ma won na
yo me da se bebre ye application ma akwala no e menenya leave enti leave wa akwala no e benye no remember ye application for citizenship and that's application for British passport that just a ye application say akwala no benya akwanya e wono anedin mu atenemu we no onyam enya ne emfi ne papa ho anasa ne mame ho ono a nti be ma no akwenya no bi afidie or leave to travel, leave to come back, leave to remain na or the court nenim eno no na mame so betumi agina anasa papa so betumi agina na aide why say akwenya bi wo hospital so ya
nti leave no do sign on the baba
so usually no we are looking at so mo share case by case no but we are looking at 2.5 years yedebama akwala no
would there be a situation be a yebema 5 years prekope
well so now can you say you are going for application on the basis of private life generally nature say a discretionary application ya de mawo nti ye behwe wo circumstance na aka choose okay and ye mawo 2.5 no kwesi empempen so afide wo be qualify under the 10 year leave to indefinite leave threshold, you know.
Okay. Now, say, Yanamu, you say, Yama, ya untimintina outside for 90 days, 180 days. Say, the Mawasa, how many times now between you do to choir call Abba?
Oh, leave. Which me I call Abba at any time I will pay. Now, you can say, my ye be BHS say, I feel they won't have you.
Okay.
Then HS won't have him. So I call 6 months now won't buy ye. No be beer ni who are prevent you not to come back. Then a bit me prevent you not to come back. Say be a wakwa yawe wo. Okay. And we dey to assume say bit me bro. Sa
6 months
habitual residency threshold. And now say be a winyim and I be say wo. And so e bit me ache. Nti nyome bi e bit me aba e be dey dance say and dey to assume say wo be che no. Ejitum but se bia ni ho de a esesa wo kwa enche na wa ba because wo call holidays wo kwa kwatena be bia wo kwa ye
okay ene na wadarema yenhwe ekwan a ye faso eyesa application no edeng na mehia ananse me di 7 years ananse abofra na di 7 years no eno ano no
yo sene ya ka no case here ye bobo hu eye ene Bangladesh versus the Secretary of State 2021 case. Before that, no cases be briaba. Na ne akoba even though we no crown no omo the case no court no win no. It was dismissed. But ne wo mu eto asum na yafa efim. Ne wo mu eto asum no say you will be no section 55 of Border Citizenship and Immigration Act 2009. Obaka choice said best interest of a child.
Okay.
Now say a best interest of a child there, I didn't know akwala we 7 years no. You better say uncle no chrome. And I say you no chrome bo, you show man no chrome ni. But by law no, I you no chrome because in no almost sound na yakoba and say wo akwala wo chrome ha. Na wo no na wo de ma akwala no. Nti say wo akwala na say wo ye Ghanaian a akwala no automatically o ye Ghanaian. Nti na tell say akwala no even though ya wo no ha no near the country pa will be our mammy or papa then if now son dear a better assume say aqualan will it be in the best interest of aqualan see be if he has said uncle or mammy chrome now uncle or mammy and what's now now I can say and to assume because it will not be reasonable to expect the child to move away from where he or she has lived for at least 7 years of in life so uncle na baby fufuro adentia you bet you make say okay so mama no ekwade a na so papa ekwade a adenti na akwala no ndi nachi because it will be in the best interest of akwala say o mama ne papa no betena say ho no o ma hwe no but it will not be reasonable. It might be in the best interest of akwala but it will be unreasonable to expect the child to live. Then ebema na ye unreasonable then ebema ento assume say yebema akwala no fi UK omemu edi kan akwala ya wo no ha 7 years bi kura na ne mami anasa ne papa omanya omufi mu no akwala na akọ ho ba ko mienu bi kura onko ho mpoda wati din no ba onim ho amamre onim bibia no onim aye British national anthem God Save the Queen otumi to pa no nimwa ni all the history away in school na ade no nim ni school teachers and ni friends away make no nim asori oko no nim ni programs or year na friend no private life activities no nti sa na tie dia collect sa no sa would ne ko a ebe ha adwene ni route no eye agentini e wo krom ha nti sa wotutu route no na wo sa de ne ko dia na wo pa che so onko bo brano fufuro oya kwala de na ba yadin ama no nti den na wo de ba ma e di adanse se ampa emu ba yadin wo di bibia beboa ma we make you case because or say a fact sensitive nti the more evidence you have to prove say it will not be reasonable for akwala to live no the better.
Nti ne yenhwe a few specific things. Obviously akwala no 7 years no so prove so enya 7 years the bia ne birth certificate and na send weighing card 7 years or start school and na say bia or start crack nursery no me ade and no would you want to add that evidence to it and the eye test obey regularly because obviously every 2 years I call near there say on your eye test or dentist you be heard say every year sa near man obetimi gather the account ni nyina in the bundle now they are lawyer for my application
enti some ya wo bo nyoma no so no eya kobese to assume it is beginning to convince somebody say this akwala in circumstance no is special or different from all other akwala omonya 7 years hokroma.
Okay,
I don't know we is different. You share the family ties na akwala no wono. E bi cross akwala we or aunts and uncles and other siblings e wo krom ha. I have from extended family members. Sa extended family members no ha na omo omunni omame aneso papa e krom aneso oman ofimu. Ni sa familiar ties and sa family ties no one thing you betumi agina so sa argument no. Ube then when you say a family ties akwala apart from mama ni papa no bi busuafo na aka no betumi bibia dia dansa say ampa akwala ye nana anasa ya wafase anasa ye say eno no the family aspect no na ya ba social ties nsa akwala we dey 7 there owo namfofo even though enye bebrede obo bi obenya bi wo asori
okay
obenya bi wo school obenya bi wo after school club obenya bi wo other Saturday and other activity clubs ebimu kra e wo scout associations ebimu kra e wo football clubs ebimu e wo ballet clubs ni nyina no e social ties yebenya nkrofo mo media dancers say ampa akwalai or sa ties no dia then ofi ho kwa emotionally alone ebe ha akwala no Ebi cry now or trained to become a ballet dancer and as a footballer. No idea. Not all of a sudden you see uncle. Eba ha akwala no. Even though betumi akwa de by emotionally no we break it akwala no. You benya sa evidence no ana. Now you call bibi a yefe na cultural ties.
Okay.
Cultural ties ni say onim krom ha amambre, krom ha abakwasam, krom ha enyoma no bi. Nti ebi kura akwala no owo poetry club bi owo enyoma bi a wa chọchọ enyoma bi e di adances ampa akwala no ne nti ase e wo krom ha amambre ne abakwasam no akọ echire. Sa ehofo no so betumi di bibia ya de aba ye call school so a teachers ewo ho ne friends ewo ho ne ade bi akwala no kwa wo godmother anasa godfather sa afo no nyina ewo ho nti se ni nyina etumi aba na chere say ye build the case say it will be unreasonable so ye de akwala no be fi ha akoma foforo so a afina oko build entin na we develop entin ewo ho ayefe no route no.
Okay, enti se yenya saa niema we nyina na ye de ka application no ho a se ye de tumu a ya na edisen ansa da ba
application ni na no ye ni eso na ye ni eso Home Office for standard 6 months into we application before ba charge say we complain no bisa who say me dey 6 months ana
okay
we be say oh me nua dey ode call ya endu na buy ba na wo nua na kan chiro eni me wa ade ni mu one can you one can say me dey na call ya
na can say obi ade case by case
case by case
okay
we can to for crowd to my aggregation the same day na penny dey abaka kra dey amaye people say adentia be akoto different people omenim e wo fekesim
okay
nti na ye kan say 6 months there na at least ometumi etu anamo say do 6 months no say anamo no emba ya na say muaya no mbaya eho na akwanya wo say ye be sha asese ye bisa wo say na mo kasa 6 months na afi na we die akoche na muaya bi wo ho a omode amayen center o makasa wo say nti muma ye ntwen now that reminds me, let me put across this update. Sisi ane akoba ne say fekesim for so ni anom ne adofo a mutie na mo hwe say yebeka ya bebre no a mo ye application during the COVID no. Na because centers no for appointment no bebre ne close no nti. Omo kan say ye selfie na fabra. To betwa wo ho picture na wo de aba na ye email akoma no. Ano no mbegina so na mo de aye biometric na che say wo de ehia say wo bekọ appointment.
Okay.
Ti bebre no a omu yesa enya omummu aye bebre so aye omummu aye embaye basisi ane akoba ne se bebre no omu ye no a omummu aye embaye no omu ahya asesa omu di emails invitation ba se no makan say why application ba won kobo won sa no meanwhile omu so ka kire say kobo won sa no because of corona inti fa wo selfie picture bra na yemfa ya ade na ma wo omu asesa omu adwen adentia omo se corona no akofom bebre santi centers no bebre ye bie nti wo a ye kan say emabo wonsa no na fa selfie bra no afi de ye se bra na babo wonsa no nti ekoba saa eye bo apayo eye policy nurse so mo disu no na afi de omo ediso nti nya oba ya no say ubebuku na wakọbọ wonsa
eno na sama na ba chemo no
obi beka say obetumi abechemo but which is better uba withdraw application no and I say uba ye ukakọbọ wonsa no send your ma wo no because there's omo obi bia friend no evidential flexibility so mo feel say self na we require no for whatever reason I feel the omo say margin so me use a omo ka just say dey kwye the normal thing no a enka nyoma ye a enka wo be ye no unfortunately I fair but I take so we be a wo de ko buku na kobo wonsa no yen say mo ayenya ama won a chance say e fa fra ho so omo kobo wonsa no
okay abusia say afi no join ne ya woni yen award the community and the law so lawyer Charles Asmah and oboyema yede enkomo ya bro BWF solicitors and equires ne ema yede bro ye call alliance ne yen text message ne so betimi agya wo comment no ewo yen Facebook page and also YouTube page no so ye BWF solicitors BWF solicitors ewo 214 to 21 618 Tottenham High Road, no so Seven Sisters, North London, on top of the Victoria Line train station. No, we see free your train no more about exit number 2. A dial BPSO near Anna House, 4th floor. Anna or more 0208 493-7340 a year or more telephone number. We are Monday to Friday. A free anopa 9:30. A copy and 6 o'clock. Until say a fano immigration and some say a year family law our dear any divorce say woto a japade e Ghana and say lawyer nkoja na fi yenko kan wasem bi obi de oka na fi yenka ho asem ni nyina no odi ho adwuma. Until enu won endi enkomo. Bomodi an say obetro number na ato be 0208 493-7340 and that's 077-127-61884 077-127-61884. Enter the second hour of the program now. The every one you pick questions, you pick concerns. In this segment, you share your quiz no senior two earlier in the week. And I think so you benya lawyer Bernard Ama what the and simple beer actually go teach you the answer to our quiz no or the ever brain. BWF solicitors in yeba.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya ji abasobodie bebre. Ne ya redare e wo mranse mu. Eye legal services, be to say family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. Wo BWFDA, yen solicitors e de nijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bo nso nya den kra. Yen partner penin pa Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron 29 years. BWF solicitors kura won ho. Inti se ba na busuansem bi ti se child care eya abofrahwe mu awaregya ye ho twuma mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma nso. Yen child care any family team no nimnia wo famu ewe ne ya wo brei mu enu ntin ye to ye mbo asema wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu. Yen senior partner Ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu na osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje ewo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni how kra wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho wo BWF solicitors de ye immigration team no avedare ewo general immigration ho nsemsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachia wunni how kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nunsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm. Ena memene danso appointment nkwa free anopa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 eye 10 am kosi 4 pm. Yewo 4th floor ewo Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sawun 93 Seven Sisters Underground nswa eye kwantie bi. Yen senior partner Bernardo Wusu san ye barrister ya gina tumu na oye Ghana Bar Association member ena wasan gina se mranimfo ewo court cases ya efa Ghana law wa advising local authorities official solicitors office ni solicitors bebre efa Ghanaian law hunye na osan yo bia otai kasa ewo radio any TV so fa Ghanaian law.
Yeah, that's say ebusia yako akoto yenkra no aba o text messages any WhatsApp messages na meji ewo 07950422780 obetimi kran so afreme ewo sa line so it's okay, we'll pick up the call na fe ede ama lawyer Charles Asmah ma wayi ano ede amai ebi nso so obetimi aja wo comment no anasa wo question na ewo yen Facebook page no so BWF solicitors, YouTube BWF solicitors. Let us ask me what a question back or a hat ni de abreme or say Nebano Ubenya 7 years late September but oko school and school admissions no so yana omo ebi early ages and ebi so later ages within the same class. You bet me I say once wako school now wako new class even though we are 7 pepe no obeti me I application na.
I'm running say you the other for the question by that was say. I'm running say akwala what's na ha 7 years. And it's on this 7 I used to China or D7 and say what to me I application no.
Okay.
And with this 7 air corner there then straight away. The same I watch here and China or D7. And many this 7 year application no a year in private life no a man.
So was any paninya or try home nobody is 7 no. 7. And he said 7 no I can one day cram and don't even application.
Date or what the application are very important.
Okay.
And it's a way application no and there your application akola with this 7 years. What's not Chrome has 7 years ana. So what's not Chrome has 7 years there and they are qualified to make application under paragraph 2769. Here can who asem no.
Okay. All right. Eric Komnaya boy that's obe joining Louisa Santiago say good afternoon Brakweku and lawyer Charles lovely people lawyer Rich Katechi Bosiako that's Otechi so boy and Doctor Sadom Kwame Atajimase Ohwe from Osbridge UK and I think so ye wo nana agimai Sophia Joy munyina mo ahmano so edamase monkoso na mon ni djuma no emmaye senior na yedi kan you say you pay up to about 500 shares na mon invite am for na o makan ho na information e dey ma no pretty important antubam onso so yeda say o hwe lawyer say question we say main fairness or the birth certificate any way in book no but of course school when your letter so from GP birth certificate any weighing card and be enough approve say or what's not a chrome has 7 years now.
You for any the question about that was say. I'm running say as I say akwalano in 7 years. And it's easy to prove say akwalano was 7 years because in the birth certificate in the calculator the answer say you no this time to when you're 7. Bibia so the answer say what's na krum ha because be on to ko ni passport mpo na we be to kwan. But you fa ma akwala no because say when you're 7 or your application because when you're 7. Say you the mano and I say young farmer no based on the private life is based on the personal circumstances. I find a fact sensitivity test no reasonableness.
Okay.
Eto assume say you the ma akwala ya when you're 7 years wo krum ha yi. And I say ento assume say you the mano. So to assume dia ya de bamano so to assume a ye beka chen say ndie bebi a o maame ne o papa wa no ondi o mo echi na o mo yeden o ne nko
to assume no ni prove no
and then that is subjective.
Okay.
Because with 7 years there it's so easy tick box meboa. You don't need anything else.
Anything to prove 7 years.
Undi when ya oye akwala under 18 easy to tell. So we are not mommy and as a way na papa, easy to tell.
Okay.
But is it easy to tell, say, it will not be reasonable or not? It's a matter of judgment. Tina wodi nyoma bebre baba na wa convincing nipa na your application is say, even though mo say e bia ento asum no, me who say as I say asum. We santi ya kan nyina bomu a emwo akwala no se yede no bede be fi krom ha.
Margaret Mensa yeda se o join ni ensanso akosia part on se yeda se o join ni yen lawyer we question we enye yen topic here there but ma wada remember me infamra or say many be aye EUSS application na oye EUSS application na adwuma oye no wajai sa adwuma no ekope adwuma foforo almost say on funny UAN is it UAN number?
UAN number, yeah. Application number, no.
On funny UAN number, Emra. On the call, yeah. I say when I send the UAN number, they said I can't work because my application has not been granted. Is that correct?
Yo, me that's bebre. You know, ya wode asem we ebaye. There are instances fikasim for getting it wrong. There will be a from employer checking service. I'm say you need na some no sanet here. And say, so we have application for immigration leave. It doesn't matter the type of immigration leave. Time I will buy your application no. So we have visa I will to me the ejuma dia until say new one you be decided no. And so we continue with the old right now also no. In this old one we ye ejuma employer na we ye ejuma no akwan ni ho say obe yi wedi. But employer no so embra echechire no say obe make sure say utumi ye ejuma. Abra we ni visa no. And say visa no ewu na wo pay foforo no. In this na etie the employer no be ye den and ono so ne ho ye den. Because the man say okoye obu mra no so a ne ono ejuma wura no ho betumi ache no. Nti home office for iron say ejuma wura for no mo wo kwan a yetumi de check say nimpa we no otumi ye ejuma anase ontumi ye ejuma bra or train a new visa application hu emwaye no. Nti employer no angasa be court system no so no apply for bibia for no employer checking service. Na result no be kase your friend will be positive verification. And now say negative verification. And then say neutral verification. Neutral is a woman to me can say yes or no. But usually it's yes or no. Yes, and it's a positive. That means which me to us why you ejuma. No, they say woman to me and any ejuma. Adentia, it be a time we have application now visa ne wudada. And that's for whatever reason. No. But they can get it wrong. Tia kwabasa employer no will follow up. And that's a one kasakra no Obama or Moya where say no. Time we have application na wutumi ye ejuma mani ye na application no yen decide enwie but when you be or say you cannot work until we feel say omo getting wrong into omo hwemu ma omutumi ehwemu ma say
rein fa na say sa time me the application e koye no na bia 1 month earlier na me ye ejuma ena ma ye EUSS na me visa no enwie ena akodi omo ensem se me kopa ejuma fofora am I allowed to work?
Right, that is the difference. Question na me ya no eye obi a na de no decision embaye. Na old employer na say current employer no ene no di no we say confabra yes I ye ma wontu eduma no so.
Okay.
Ane no mra no makwan say employer no be yes.
Okay.
Na mbom say wo choose say wo mpa eduma ya wo ye nsisi ebie mba wo kopa foforo de a mra makwan say new person no a wo pese wo ni ye adwuma no o expect say wo card no
ebe ba ansa na wo ma adwuma
aba o pese wo hu card no ansa wo etumi afa wo adwuma mu e ho no emra no nhye no say ono ye adwuma anaso on fa wo na mum dada no a wo no ho ne de emra no hye no say on continue to engage you as an employee.
Okay, it is obi a obi free home office no wo say wo me copy adwuma from EUSS application wo mo ho and my na even crab probably you catch yourself kokobo wonsa no anamni ade once and you can't find a new job.
Well, baby a wokopa ejuma no. Ebi a wa ba me ho. So wo be pay ejuma. Anche.
Anche wa be ejuma ho.
Wa ba me ho so wo be pay ejuma. Up to me to say oh okay, wo visa no why embaye nti wo de anyahwe me fawo. Na ma twen say baba. It's up to me.
As I want to work, well, say employer and to
so in that case, employer can have a mitigation approach circumstance to say, nipa no to be ye juma, already to be ye juma. Until either to work with the old employer or new employer, no, there is no difference.
Okay.
But it is up to employee na say wo pay juma no na wo be share nimpa ne say on foul. So no pa obe foul. Just a person risk or person which may take a risk and no for wage mum. But the brain and penisa on person who will card no and I say we new leave no answer. Until the old one craman or back but the old one is expired. Then you tell him say and I say oh but in running me to me juma once I'm waiting. No I can't say yes, which me juma with the old existing employer, not a current employer.
Okay. You were in your Sophie Brobs. I will say my first and second successful visa applications were applied for by BWF solicitors. thumbs up. No, my thumbs up. Marco miensa. Thank you very much, Sophie. Sounds so and you were Akosia part. Good afternoon, lovely family. We'll say Waba Ababe Joy Ne Ye. Ebion so you were in your baby so or say hello, good day. Trust you are doing good. Any chance of talking with you briefly? Yes, ubetimi any lawyer penny for ID and commo the ubayane say even Sabria ye kasei and say from Monday to Friday ubetimi afre lawyer for no ewo 077-127-61884 and I say office number no 0208 493-7340 0208-493-7340 and then the yeti ho enkomo mofra womo apply under 7-year rule for leave to remain in the UK with their parents. Qualifying child lawyer Charles Asmah abuwaso ade amaye hwan ena etimi ejina qualifying child no so ade also obey family application na fe wetimi ahwe ade ama anti wo concern no questions no meji ewo ha 07950-422-780 and also we send a text and a WhatsApp audio message now de aba na ahwe aka ade ama lawyer my EUSS application omo ese meti won enka but me UN number any idea nomination still a mommy. It doesn't give me any response. I did this 4.5 months ago. Is there any way I could make noise? It's I could make noise to ensure that they respond to my application.
Yenya there was a baby. Uko check here no. I went home bibia na chere say omu en ye ho edwuma no enwie. Can you make noise? Yes, but not until you have waited for 6 months. In the senior working, we train 4 months, and they train 2 more months, then you start making noise.
2 more months, wow.
I mean, that is the standard. It may start early, but your share backlog, no pressure, no one. Now it will say, okay, let's go by their standard 6 months instead of 5 and that's 4. She says the nature say a chapa na fide it to me anyone.
Okay, so obi a year 7-year rule application ye be nasa emaya immigration for ne nam ye ni ade no bia na yakoche no ye rehwe na ne ho enye no ne ade ye bitimi na kofie.
You me that's
whilst the application is pending.
Me that's bebre. We dey koma obi biara why application a edem. So we application ende. We click it now say submitted application echo. Don't worry about baby echo. We dey say why your application santi wo twan so made o me decide. Whilst application you deciding we ye no. Baby a ye be gina wo bia no. Mranoma will cancel culture why your application until decision in by until said decision in babano, they cannot decide your fate for you. No, I'm a plan, I'm a so my friend for you say our application or one. That's all they can do. So I'm a friend or what that's it. I'm a job, I'm to me your but say I'm a friend and knew what dear, but knew what dear, why will you tell them say why anyway? And simply no, so why your application there and they don't worry at all. You go about your business, comply with the law, kusita mwa yado visa babra na afidie. No.
Okay. You go so urge mo text no menya
enti na bra ko kuma mentwom mfa wo yemetwom say endie sa na etie dia. So wo krum ha na for whatever reason wunya nkraita no bia. Hwe say ubetumi agina wo private life so akwala 7 years awatena ha. Anase peninsula 20 years awatena ha. Man twentwen so. Fa wo de fakotum na nda ho. Na relax rather than say ubagasa me train na woni bi kra e ho na yem hihie no ayeden eba no ti bomodin as soon as possible opportunity ne ba bomodin afakotum unhu ne obaye a wo frɛn a ene obetena ase etie wo story ne ama wo akwankyerɛ a obefa so.
So obi aye 7-year rule application ne bi na be my within that period no be when you bojo bi cleaning bi key job bi bona kakra illegal.
Mrani say we need right to work. You cannot adopt that approach to work. Not just say na obey and we are on na wo ye.
Okay.
When na ya chiwa yetumi say mraban na original so dey say adwuma for right to work fabra.
Okay.
And so we some simple questions are there. My simple answer says so we need right to work there, and there it will not be legal to be working.
Okay. Nana Oberima Obimpoansa, or say your queries on the top. Me pacho mean yeah. So wait me texting Eddie and Birmingham Kabeme Depa. Either you put it back on the platform and I say or the fire text message line also because I'm picking all the text from here. 07950422780. 07950422780. We say, I've done my EUSS application and it's successful. I had my traditional engagement last month here in the UK. Would that marriage be recognized as a customary marriage or I will have to do it in Ghana?
Yo, me that's bebre. You can't customary marriage Ghana na yawo sa emrano. Enti sa wo waro Ghana. Nebusafo aja tum some aware. We choose upa ubetumi akwa register. Emrano say a optional so be register aware no. But dodo we wish to register to recognize our marriages. Nti na American say krom ha dia wo ware dia na just say ukwaje permission na why there wa ware at the say council be aware no be officiate aware no normal certificate of marriage no. So we know our assurance so as assurance no ya ja tumu say omutumi ehire aware so ama certificate na whatever ma no edimu. Apart from that, you know, the American say aware ebusuafo no at this point no maye. Until you have to then register to be able to use it in the UK.
This is a worry na ebusuafo ni mienu two families na ewo UK ha. Na ya ye ne fie ya jensa ya jitrinsa nom ne ade me ade a chrome hardware for it to be recognized or also register.
Oh, just say no. All right. Okay. I think I'm getting a different understanding of the question. Onu chrome ha, but for whatever reason, when to me anko na wari ni bi.
No, or chrome ha. Me mfa say me wo chrome ha. Na me share oba wo chrome ha. Ne ya abusianfo oba abusianfo ha me so abusianfo ha ene ya tena London ha anase UK ha ene ya ya aware no abamre kwan so would it be recognized here in the UK? I think that's what he wants to mean.
Yo na imrano e kan say aware na ya hwehwe no o man na ya hwehwe aware no woso no eji aware tumu a krum ha so say aban no egi sa aware tumu no etum.
Okay.
Enti na customer marriage e wo Ghana no etumi egitum e wa ha. Na ye fra bibi nso proxy marriage. Say ya aware no ba bibi nti na munni ho nti ebusuafo gina mu egi aware no e ma. Eno so ye gitum wo Ghana e say ye gitum e wo krom ha.
Okay.
But ye nwie ni o kan say aware no ya hwehwe no krom ha. So it's not a matter of Nyambrane can say so we ware wo ko oman foforo so. Na sa oman no je sa ware tumu a botumi eyusu no ha. That's all higher no ya ware no.
Okay.
And more or less why ya ware no wa ha say. Na wa can say me Ghana ni na ma ware wo krom ha. Can I take it some ware wo Ghana? That is a novel approach. And based on the laws we have in Ghana, no, Marriage Act or Ghana, no, any matrimonial act, and there's a marriage act or Krumahano. Near can say, oh, baby, I wait to me the Abba. That's a whatever has so dear, and there's a far handy and so, Edward.
And so it's all registered.
Then it means you have to base Wawarano, Ewo, Krumha, Emran, so into some more had there, then you can equally apply to have it registered.
Okay. Ramman and I say wa baba joining ya da say nyame ensure. Your text message back I was say I have EU resident card which will expire next year October. but I've recently been granted indefinite leave to remain, so I applied for replacement card. Obetimi use susa ne resident card whilst waiting for the replacement card. Nana.
Minia, with our CBBRE. Emrani say, Ubetimi a replacement card, and no a optional. To do a replacement card, na muye mushishomono. Yes, Uma we mushisho because of backlog and pressure into Abama quite say, old card now which me I was writing. But what happens is this. So we a replacement card application. Because we wouldn't die be issue card no. Until say the no, you wouldn't even know say issue and I say issue yet. And that time I be issue no, anytime I was back no, about to take 1 week and 2 weeks.
Okay.
In some say issue na 14th of August. Well, not cry a weekend or moon juma. If I issue no and 13th of August. But because a weekend it's a post to blow Monday. Because a issue automatically no code na abadaso no deactivate old one no. The new card will replace the old card. It's not just the old card now when I video and you be.
Okay.
Into between and there and run and any time I was about card no old card no I say.
Okay. That just want to be for old card in 2 coin.
The thing is, you have made a replacement application and it's been replaced, but you don't know whether it's replaced or not until someone sabeka.
Okay.
In fact, say, omo issue ama wende. Automatically no, omo check card ni we ya no na ebegusu no nyina ebedi adanse say, oh, ne old one so no, aba new one so. So you need the new one to use, not the old one any longer. Old one so no, it be take 1 week and I say some days and sawosaka. So the question is say, ade a you replace a wunim. Na wo kwekwe use no, the risk is high. When you don't know time of replacing no.
Okay.
And now you replace it automatically no old one is invalid.
Okay.
And so when you quite are risky.
Yeah, risk.
So when your application no dear replacement application no, we bet run in them chrome ha. But we too quite are risky because we do airport no. Now so card no is being replaced. New one why.
Okay.
Because so new one me try and media to kind of use old one. And you don't have what it takes to move at that point.
Okay.
And you don't take the risk. Why your application for replacement? Why you don't quite there? Train na embra and so why shall I say wo to a coin.
Okay. Na now been answer question na aba. Inti what I remember me for was say Nadam Fubi has been invited with his wife to come and visit their family members, but he is currently holding Dubai resident permit, and his wife lives in Ghana, which he wants to go to Ghana and apply with his wife from Ghana. Would that be possible, or he has to apply from Dubai? And if so, what about his wife in Ghana, which he has to come with?
All right.
Yeah, we'll be inviting Swamra.
Dubai.
And invitation so also about UK
as a visitor.
Good.
Okay.
Also on the neighbor.
No Ghana.
No
Dubai. So question here understand you be share no more. Which one?
Into one application no Dubai. And man on Ghana. No one application more than a year in no.
Yo, Minia application I will buy no and you na wo ye. Wo dey also when you visit application why you my oba. But person when you yere na eba. Into we yere so be application. Even though we na oba we yere ma omo application no. E we yere application. Into say we yere Dubai kra, say oba no e wo Ghana anyway. Into we yere application with Dubai kra, country maame no wono e na the starting point. To which application maybe so say from which country are you making this application? Ubakasa Ghana. It doesn't matter baby away. It's not London application man for as part of our jobs and I say your service no. But so we Ghana, your best select is Ghana. Omaka just ko bo wonsa no. E de ni nyina no. Nti say wo ye wo Dubai make sure say won take say nimpa no wo Dubai. Because nipa no eni Dubai. Don't me mbon nsa no, on to me enko interview, on to me ye bibia wo Dubai ho. I just say oh Ghana.
Okay.
And even so Dubai ho kra And kind of question will be so on the basis of the an application at that point might be say be a worry until now swaye and I say bibisa depend on the circumstance in there and can one a bit to me iron or Dubai or back only Dubai. Until ubet me ayamano nembum making sure say we online application or ubet baby or your application no free.
Okay. Well, you share your voice note or day Abba. Lydia say Waba joining. Lydia, thank you very much. Wabe na once wapeke na washe page ade amaye sebeya dudwonso ebenya so emfaso. Nana Brema Bimpon and son or they are both married. Yes, Oma worry but Obano or Ghana.
Yes, they are both married. Inti opeso your application a man yere yemfanisa. Or your application man a back nipano applicant in your bano. Into applicant or your application efi Ghana. Na audio to kwine. Into visa ni be issue amano ewo Ghana or because or no Ghana. So na tia dia obi betumi abuano efi baby ana yes. The application is online, so it doesn't really matter. Once I want internet in Quadia, we wait me application will be beer. Boom. Oh yeah, she said, Ubayan clear say applicant no or your application from Ghana. It doesn't matter say yeah internet so the country no Ghana. I want your application no if mama no.
You into me.
Patrol your friend James because of free my thinkings. Patrol me my wife now my card and all my mommy you were 30th before 30th 3 months before 30th now the priest one of card in fact near 3 me for last month omudi in aba be me nkwa the afternoon my na me business say to Mrs. because in your boy and son of Dako. You could take a fingerprint to Dako, your superintendent Dako. Because when I'm here in or Modi Abba Bear 1 month, Momazaka Mokad. Resomente Honre, Namse, it Mrs. Anna, Nadiana is a meet my medas.
Okay. There's a question about everybody.
You near what they are some way feel no thinkings a buyer, Yadawasi. A comma in your no more or more similar situation and so. Edi kind no ne wona fofo no obi an application ye different application no kwa ebekwa akwadeda different case workers enim case workers ni bi omo a omo ho eye ha adaso omo ye fast ebi so omo a omo ye slow enti bi a wo de na akwada nkrofo no omo ye slow no bi enim enti omo nsha asese omo tu ho anamo but by all means se bibi wo ho a etre I'm back to you for further evidence and I say bibi sir. But say bibi anu ho sa dia and the ebaba. Can you do something? So we share na do 6 months since our application in Quadia. We bet me I get in touch with them. The work actually say adia no we 6 months ago when TBBR into open status report. On metro normal kenyantia emba ye no. Ebi o make say corona ninti. Yama ehodu and as a wodia no a bit complicated in here.
We not doing me na kakra because ono anatana see afil application the ama omonti the one crofo the mu no nim. And possibly almost circumstances are similar.
Good.
Not only the enema, there's cause to worry.
There's cause to worry, but worry now a woman say, is it the case that Emba and I say BBSC wo and na onim. Now no, me person yet sense applications no nipa ba ko betumi aye 10 applications. But you're submitting online.
Okay.
Ekogu pool because the pool a swimming pool but ekogu baby. Na you allocate ama case workers.
Okay.
So files. Inti case worker no a wo de no akoda nanim no. I don't know the number of applications are over that. And I say bia wo de no baby eda no obi aye den emfaye. We expect senka 10 there and I say 3 hours submitting no ni nyina no be at the same time. Nanka luckily no nipa ba ko be fa ni nyina and I say o mo ba fa so meye adwuma no at the same time but enko saa enti na be kan say edu 6 months I don't know say 3 months to June 30th So now you share 6 minus 3, so that's about March Until so March na year April, May, June, July, August. About 50 months in here. 6 months by next month. And to say a 6 month rule next month we'll be to home and among. Because in do 6 months. But it will be said which me application more than 2. Na ba ko aba eja ba ko. And yet bibia it me sisa.
Okay. 07950422780 and I say over for 0208 123 1016. Sophie Brobs, yada say for your contributions and our fee sharing. Abusia, send me kakaya and me here over 500 shares. Before I finish, I'll tell you how many people have done that. And check. Bianami Bechawadie for sharing and also doing it very actively for all of us. Yede lawyer Charles Asmah and Edin Kowe. Later on, yede Yankwizano Ebeba. Yankwizano and the answer lawyer Bernard and Asanko Benankasa and Ebeyi Ano, and we'll be having a very special feature on that. Inti Shenan so Efa Maye. But in the meantime, all question, no concerns so that may train with me. They are to your Facebook page and also Ubetim so and they are to your YouTube page and also na Yebepeke at the amount. Mod Shematin afi ena on can we elite now way now football no. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Thank you for coming. Lawyer, we bisa say I'll say thanks for the question. Say thanks for the program. Okay. Minia Opambo will say we were indefinite leave to remain in a couple of months. Will be here eligible to apply for your naturalization. Problem is before you will leave to remain, not why overstay.
Indefinite leave. And I leave.
I said before I was granted my leave to remain. Make see question also. Or indefinite leave to remain, and a couple of months you'll be eligible to apply for naturalization. Okay. The problem is, before I was granted my leave to remain, I overstayed my visa for a year, and I know this will be used against me during my naturalization application. Within the period I overstayed, I was having some mental health issues and was on medications and going for counseling. Making me use SUSA as a reason why I couldn't apply earlier because I wasn't in the right frame of mind.
Me that's be brain you out the some way a buyer. So na me possible say
Indefinitely.
Is it the indefinite leave to remain and now say previous leave to remain na overstay no a buyer. But you share naturalization requirement Section 6 of the British Nationality Act 1981 Obaka says that we naturalization application and you may be aware that we meet Schedule 1 requirements. Requirement is that when you're indefinite leave to remain, the way could for 1 year, 12 months before I obey your naturalization application. And now what's not legally for 5 years before I obey your application. And now also know you've been working, so you have to prove say you've been active. Now you have to be a habitual resident. And check now or 450 days absence within 5 years no ebe suma what they are naturalization no nti say you many nyina no wo there why you English language why you say ni nyina no wo there and then you qualify for naturalization nti baby I say I overstayed no and when na me per se I don't know overstay so nti you mean ya wo frɛ
no chimo say ni overstayed no sabre no na or mental health issues.
But I want to know whether even the overstay is really even a cause for concern at all.
Okay.
If it's a cause for concern, then we'll look at how to remedy that.
Okay.
But if it's not a cause for concern, then we might not really need to even bother. Tina make us a naturalization. We could indefinite leave for 1 year. Before I obey indefinite leave, a beer or 5-year route to so, and a 10-year route to so. I don't know which one. And that's whatever route or fast, we bring an indefinite leave to remain. We crown 1 year, ne a dear. And now what qualifies a brass or obey a naturalization. And we are going back to look at beer overstay beer a barrel. So overstay eba baby na affect requirement for naturalization no, then it might not be a cause for concern. And it might be something a year be kiti binti but modiana free na yenu endi enkomo na yehu kwanya eba faso na yade aboa wo naturalization ese se wutumi ye naturalization no na wobeye
0208-493-7340 and only number obet fresh senior lawyer Charles Asmah Kano but what na frɛ na enimpenim for indi ho ankomo but program is studio between your text 07950422780 07950422780 and the topic I dey ebre wono na mofra who apply under the 7-year rule for leave to remain with their parents. Qualifying child Yaboso Sanso ane Nirma anase de obi ebetimi enya anaso beye na fe ode a qualify anase wetimi agina so aye sa application no dodo amowo yen Facebook page no so thank you very much and our fe mo amowo YouTube page no so thank you very much and I want to say bomodia na share the video with your friends, share the video on all your platforms. So see, I've picked up my phone and I'm sharing to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are groups I subscribe to. Inti, maybe share but you wouldn't excuse. Nano been pon a day further AEB Abba or there are 2 pages so now I want to pick it up or say please can you join your wife in Ghana to apply for a visitor's visa from Ghana whilst the husband stays in Dubai.
So similar to Dubai no.
Dubai seminar on one day.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Or say can you join your wife in Ghana to apply for a visitor's visa from Ghana whilst the husband then stays in Dubai.
So can you join your wife? Who is joining the wife, husband, no, Dubai?
You Dubai. Say, only initially, say, your man invitation, say,
good.
Britain.
Yeah.
That, or no.
But apply it.
Or apply.
Oh, right. Or you have this yet.
Or you domiciled in Dubai.
Dubai, all right.
And then you walk Ghana.
Okay.
Until you say, on Dubai, any application, the man, and now some joining the year, no, Ghana, no, any application, no.
On the word Dubai, which may an application if Dubai, depending on the circumstance or the word Dubai.
Okay.
The area of Ghana, which may say an idea, on also which may an idea if Ghana, depending on the circumstance, or they also prove visa or back holiday, unless or back visit, na wako. On also as so prove visa or back visit, na wako. To be a buy an idea, na muya visa, we share with Dubai, na maba, and that's some way we share with Britain.
Now, in that situation, say, or more it took quite separately. Maybe or be share UK ha be allowed because you have more entry visa than can no.
Yeah, so when you entry visa no all the back room ha internal sa waba. Sa no so when you entry visa or the ba nti o maybe share wa ha say. But on no dey say some yere say or ba holiday on ni ku e ba holiday. Now on so aka say on na yere e ba holiday. I'm sure that is the concern. Now so be aye ni there was separate places no mu kwehia wo neutral ground yen question was say na ukunu wo he and I said na wo yere wo he ana. Say in the application na wo ye no or maybe it say are you traveling with anybody? What you like I say, when you come there, say we are holiday, but be a no see I know what I say, so we meet at this point.
Okay.
Unless I may know what I say, we meet at this point. So it's a matter of choice. So to make Ghana, Ghana, na my application if you ho. But say for whatever reason, no, wasa Ghana, which me I baby I want no why your application. You know, minim sir, or no, or Dubai crowd, want me your application for visit from Dubai. Because Obaba Dubai as a visitor. In fact, you saw here from Ghana, not Odeba. And see, Obetumi aye, now I be Dubai, now I transit to her, now they are back.
Okay. No, 2 quick questions, and Sani acquiring quiz, no, and so because we're running into that time. The other came Michael Amoa and the Diaba was say Abofra ya won waha. Obetumi apply for British passport at age 9.
Yo, minia abofra ya won wa how betumi apply for British passport ana. Now, akwala ya won wa ha no wodi no say obetumi jump into passport. Obetumi jump into passport. So akwala no wa dance say or your citizen dada. Akwala ben otumi ye automatic citizen under section 1 of the British Nationality Act no. Obaka cho say sa akwala no ye wo no na ye wo no tumu dia and the obeye automatic citizen. Then ye wo no tumu a se ye wo no na omaame eye citizen dada anasa opapa eye citizen dada dia and ye wo na tumu. Anasa omaame anasa opapa eye citizen dia no say ya ya wo no on that basis no na just say why ya wo atumu no here say obeye registration say obeye citizen until straight away you can apply for passport.
Okay. The other one I'll say Brian will apply for an UK visa or the NEMA birth certificates account documentation, but I changed their date of birth and those birth certificates never came back. Unfortunately for me, I've lost the copies I had and I can't remember the date I used. I have my documents now and want to bring them over. What do I do? Can I use the original date on their weighing cards to do a new birth certificate and do a DNA or swear affidavit to that effect?
You near or they asem be say by bebre no was similar situation amo document ekodi efekasi mu a omonsa enkaye na onwon hia so aye bribi ekoba sa critical na obetumi aye say oba apply for duplicate birth certificate because birth certificate council no na den issue to betumi request duplicate na depending on because the winning tama efekasi edibebre no we duplicate a omama wo copy which may you su aye akwala no ade na opese we emano no nti yes answer a is a train say ebeba but from what you are saying no ebebo say obeji duplicate copy na which me aye
well, abusia Sabri ye be corner fee ye de quiz segment no ade abro na ni nyina mu no de me kai wo and say opese oni BWF solicitors edi and koma we frɛ won 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and as say we ye text and now WhatsApp or even call that number 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Well, yeah, quiz no this week question empany for BWF solicitors editor ho emaye and mede ebre was say mame any akwesi Ghana for a warm Ghana for by birth. They met in England in the 1990s and acquired UK citizenship in 2000. All three of their children were born and all but one educated in England. In 2001, Akwasi bought a property in England in which their children stayed with a nanny. But for the majority of their married life, Akwasi and Mami lived in Ghana. They separated in 2009, at which point Mami came to live in England. 2013, Akwasi issued divorce proceedings in Ghana courts and Mami sought financial settlement. The Ghana court awarded part of her claim but dismissed most of them. Mami then sought relief in England for financial settlement. Now, question BWF MA wiki and say, when you will say what is the most likely outcome of Mami's financial settlement here in the UK or in Britain or England? 1. Mami will receive generous award because the divorce settlement reached in Ghana would have caused real hardship to Mami. Number 2, the settlement in Ghana is final and Mami cannot reopen the case again in another country. Number 3, Mami didn't contribute to the purchase of a property. She cannot benefit where she didn't contribute. Or, senior, none of the above. Mami ni akwesi Ghana for omushia war England ha 1990 no ho no mo enya omo assets na say UK citizenship in 2000. Omo ewo mami ensa omo nyina ewo England ha. In 2001 ena akwesi eto edan ewo England ha ɛna ɔde agya ne ma a ɔmo ne nane ɛtena mu but ɔmo mmienu ɛyɛ akwasi ɛne maame ɔmo Ghana na ɔmo te sɛ titiri na ɔmo aware no mu 2001 at which point maame efiri Ghana no betena England in 2013 akwasi ɛde ɛkɔ court sɛ yengu aware no ɛwɔ Ghana ɛna maame sɛ okay sadia ɛne sika sɛm ne ajapade wo me yɛnkyɛ mu ɛna me nso me family die Ghana court no ɛde nsɛm na maame ɛde kɔ yɛ ne bi ɛma no ɛna afei de ɔde ba yɛmfa we maame ne ade ɛde me sɛ bebree maame ɛyɛ no me wɔ England ha ɛne na memra England court na me mepe financial settlement na ɔde kɔ court no de ebetimi asi ebi ɛna yɛabobɔ so ɛde akyewe Dedi kai mame ebenya sika bebre say mame will receive generous award because the divorce settlement reached in Ghana would have caused real hardship to mame sika yede ema no ne japade yede ma no Ghana de ne nesa enti ebe ma ne ho akire no ye tosumi no ye say the settlement in Ghana is final and mame cannot reopen the case again in another country yede asem no Ghana why re agitu mo Ghana enti ade enti na so de call man foforo so na afi ye hwe ede ema and also eye bibi ebetimi asi ana ye tosumi Mami didn't contribute to the purchase of the property. She cannot benefit where she didn't contribute. Papa inkwana toy, caprecrenim. And I didn't know was a chim na yede odie emao. And I said the old penny a demao. And I said me and some of Bosway, and movie anywhere, etimi a year ampa. Lawyer Charles and Cat quiz no, me so answer. But Nana Obrimpong essay a year number 1. Nanefia say a year number 1. Okay. Why do mame Akusia concepts? Hey, me offer say. I just say what baby. I say I asemu. Mame answer. Oh yeah, none of the above and I say to say. Why do you eba o text no ebeba 0795042278. Michael K. Amwa. Michael essay number 1. Kofi Julius Boame essay number 2. Nana Oberima Obrimpong answer Edeaba or say the answer is number 1. The answer is number because Mami will receive generous award because the divorce settlement reached in Ghana. Of course, we all have to. Okay, you go number 1. Then if you say number 1, Eric Kwabnaya Boa say number 1, Maud Shemating say number 2, Lydia or say number 2. Okay, so them dey kaka no and the answer no idea Sophie Probs. I won't tell one say was none of the above. Okay, well that's also a good one. I could say the above. Say I'll go for number 2. Getinyako essay number 1. Still mention the answers ni biwana. Anytime me bring so. Okay, now me call nafi mako the answer FE the senior partner BWF Solicitors Uncle Ben Hall.
And now, your question I beside answer here number 1. The entire number 1 is Mammy, a bit me application UK. Say, a mom now warrior you go no Ghana dear. Now, and I'm say, or UK, and I send BB a UK mama. Or bit me application. I will be a friend of Matrimonial and Family Law Act Part 3. Now, court to no action. Now, some of this application, I was so G2 free court to no says application bit me. Near mammy and son, and a court to no a better and son or more aye. And sa or day. Bakum or the beer or baby, say, I've called out more, you shall call out ne ade a sefata ma akwara ho ne de aye woda mienu de tene se ombewe se awofo awarefo ekun ne yire no omu mienu nyina no e wo se omutimi enye bibi efiri sa asem wi no de toso mi nsa ne se ye oba o se ye bema o sika ana ejapade a ye de bema no eni se ebro de nka o ye starting case in UK a akia de bema no ye mra no nyina kire se bibia ye bia e wa waresem ni sikasem no eni se esisi bem enti se property no wona wonya ayo so ba ne nya ayo once amaware no e mu nyina modia ye nim se your constitution e wo Ghana no e hye mranimfo ene mrahefo se nka constitution ba wo so wo twe okrata bi na wo ma titiro ma tumi bia ebasa warijai ba nka mo mbetimi aba na oma betwi application na ya hwe ne esiesie omochi na ya show modern kakra na emaso because meaning say parliament is starting bisa na mo nkomodi na nkoyi enti sa wo ya Ghana ni ana wo ya ne foreigner na ya warrior no be ma no pese osisi nti obeja wo Ghana ubetimi so what na UK da and I to UK and I will ma UK and I we UK ni we British and I say obi bi fa UK hu kwa dia na court na gi awarija ni tum say eye papa na koso Ghana ubetimi e de wasem abadane court no e wo UK na sikasema e bia ofo say nka Ghana e record nka esisi bebemu na court no e de ato eni ntina case of Adejayi any Adejayi no alatafo mienu ekoya no eko high court oba ne nyabi eko court of appeal e bo oba na die gui and eko supreme court and the supreme court said that because esisie eba Nigeria court asemu no ono court no we UK no because ma me no tena hada oda so te ha omo mutumi so bibie asemu so na omo ma no de ese efata ene we ni dibija ho se wope aseme ya yedi wope mu pansan pensenyi bi mu a wobetimi afre BWF 0208 493 7340 ana se wobetimi akọ ye internet so na wako Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram ana YouTube ebesa Charles se opese send email so aye admin@bwfsolicitors.com and then we an individual.
abusia ene na sene koye no nti mu amuka number 1 ni nyina mona moacha gift nyako Louisa Amwa Sofia Brob so they all say none of the above onye sure Lydia enya number 2 Mod enya number 2 Eric Cornelia Boa number 1 wecha Michael Amwa ya number 1 Julius ya number 1 na Brimpon munyina mocha enti nyame ensha moya de I think I would have to start giving away some very wonderful prizes from BWF Solicitors Awucha enti roho koswa na ne yen enijuma no share the page and let us have others also benefit from what you are benefiting because the experience and knowledge I answer no idea edi mu pa eye mo amo answer questions ni ade na unyina yeda mo ase mo amo ntimi answer no so next week there another one beba but watch out for the nugget on Monday and also the quiz during the week na try with hands on it available in social media platforms ahodo ni nyina so LinkedIn Instagram, Facebook, Nina so so intibomodi answer you watch out for that. Now when comes so na WhatsApp na sani any account wa so na fe ako. Go to our pages and subscribe and like our pages and also invite people to come and join BWF Solicitors. Sabri mebe kona fe menia lawyer Charles Asmah Eddie Enkra na the odibejayen and then ode amay ansani sorry lawyer Charles.
Yo me that's bebre brakoku. You on the other four and there I shall phone a tier for it me a share wo dwumadie ase. Na yedi ewie no ne se akwenya ewo ho maame papa wawo ne ba ewo krom ha. Anasa ode ne ba efi oman foforo so abekrom ha. Na akwala no endi 18 years. Na akwala no atena krom ha 7 years of ne life no. Akwenya eho ma yense yetumi eye application masa akwala no na yama no leave to remain yama no visa otumi detena se ono ani din mu ne say private life under paragraph 276 ADE 14 no na ye kan say akwala etisa no eye akwala wedi ondi 18 years na watna ha 7 years na it doesn't matter say ya won wa ha anase ye nifi baby na baaye akwenya eho ma nti nuanom aya na ya ka say me ba ne ma won wa ha say nti e be den na wa qualify no emra ne say akwala no ehia baby a ya be wono nti bo modern na tusa anamo no then na obaye a wo so betumi qualify emra ne say akwala no also ye qualifying child. A qualifying child no yakwala only 18 years na okuta British passport ananso se bia okuta watna ha 7 years we no eno no woman me no betumi agina akwala no so anasa papa no betumi agina akwala no so aya won so wodie na ne ewomu a court atna so ebua no se sa akwala no ye betumi de akwanya no ama no a based on 7 years we no a ese se akwala no tumi eye bibi edi adanse se yednu efi kromu ha akọ oman a omame anaso papa fisu no so a ento assume it will be unreasonable for the child to be removed from the UK or to be expected to leave the UK. Now obetumi aye obetumi emiti sa threshold because eye nia omoka ne nia wonso beka omo say court say a fact sensitive ni say wo na wo be make sure when ya evidence bebre a ebetumi aboa no we prove case say ya akwala ne fi ha na brabo ebe ya besa nti family ties wo sa akwala no wo other family members wo krom ha eboa bebre sa akwala no ko school even craft no be ko school a friends ne teachers na ade na wenya no letters be fifi ho no ba eboa bebre se akwala no ye social clubs after school na ade na eboa bebre asori akwala no ko ne ade ni nyina no nti baby bia obenya bibi efia ba nkrofo be abeka atumu a kire se akwala we no ni root ebe pie krom ha santi ye ni fi ha ba ha adwen no ebeto assume ebeboa wo case na sa akwala no mpo sebio se oyare ewo kwan bi so a se ni tirimu and say no hu bebia ye fa no disability no so ye disabled child and so eboa make case say it will be unreasonable say be akwala no efi ekrom ha na say akwala no de ni tumi gina maame papa and ada enuano no maka no so betumi make case say akwala no a ya gina tum ekrom ha no obehia ne papa ne maame obehia ne nuanom atumi atena as a family under Article 8 of the Human Rights Act and this Section 6 of the Human Rights Act 1998 no. Enti nia yeka no se akwanya wei no akwan ebie ama obi biara. Bomode nafa ohohyem na manka se metwe mameba na edi 10 years ana se why ana se meba no qualify. And I say, I think na banti and I say, I want to it doesn't really matter. We did 7 what's na hanko idea. Akwenya no ebe ho amao. Who ya when ya to cheminka na fawasam ebe dai BWF solicitors. Yeah, that's it.
Abusia kakum ese ejine kwakwa num na afei nso so penifo beka se yetete abete na nichemu a eno no kakrakra yebobɔ so na afei yema onimdeɛ ani suhunu no na wode jejina wonan eyie sebe ya wasetena ebetimi akoyie na mede da bia meka se unya nkrantasem ho asem eda ewo UK ha sometimes unimdeɛ ntia amanfo ani bresa and BWF solicitors ewo hoidie ye wo emfasode bebre ana se ye wo advantage bebre se ye de yen ensem ehogya ho na wahwe aka ede aman BWF solicitors senia Uncle Charles Asmah with me after one way Monday to Friday, 9:30, Kopima 6 o'clock. Telephone number is 0208 493 7340 and 077 127-61884. So say fortunately Ghana office no is fully functioning. And say visa application be here from Ghana. Now we hear document checking and now say say application amount and now say we take Japan now we hear say BWF solicitors ebedi ho enkomo any idea hwehwe memo ade amount bomodi say obefre the same number ade frɛ wo UK offer on bepeke e wo Ghana enti enya dia ebe bibia ebe dendenden ade amount kra BWF solicitors and eboyema yade the community and the law yade ebro if we reku frimpon and amede wo see na maka che wo say keep talking the law, keep the community going. We are here as an umbrella and we'll bring everybody together to give you the information and the knowledge you require so your stay here in the UK and even elsewhere in the world will be as smooth and comfortable as possible. Yame aduma, same time next week. Yebesain a day a year and common for a day abroad. Na in the meantime, or not me Kai will say echna and 7 p.m. a year about radio so what the audio version repeat at the bebro about radio so sounds also and a PAM TV so a far broadcasting. We're live on BWF Solicitors Facebook page and our BWF Solicitors YouTube page, and our things. So we shared it from various platforms, and I'm happy to say, even though you didn't give me 500, you gave me about 325 shirts. That's quite impressive. But I want more. And at the same time next week, yaba yade a home common idea ever bro. Yamin show no here also copy him say sign a share you.
Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say